In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a value stream map in draw.io for Confluence. By the end, you'll be able to open a fresh Confluence page, enable the right shape library, and build a clear value stream map that shows how work and information flow through your process. This is a great way to spot bottlenecks, visualize handoffs, and align your team around improvements. Let's begin by opening Confluence and creating a new page. From your space, choose Add Page or the plus icon, then start a new blank page. This gives you a clean canvas to work on. Once the editor opens, you'll see the diagramming tools on the left and a large drawing area in the center. If anything looks collapsed, expand the left panel so the shapes are visible. That's where we'll enable the specialized symbols for value stream mapping. Next, add the value stream mapping shapes library. At the bottom of the shapes panel on the left, click the button labeled More Shapes. A window will open with categories you can toggle on. Scroll down to the business section and find value stream mapping. Select the checkbox next to it, then click Apply. You'll notice a new group of VSM shapes appear in the left panel. These include common value stream symbols like process boxes, data boxes, inventory triangles, and the icons used to represent suppliers, customers, and information flow. If you don't immediately see the new group, gently scroll the panel or resize it to reveal all categories. Now build your value stream map on the canvas. Drag and drop the VSM shapes from the left panel onto the drawing area to represent each step in your process, along with sources and destinations. To show flow, drag arrows from the left panel and connect your shapes. Connectors will snap to the best anchor points and remain attached even when you move or rearrange shapes, which makes refining your layout simple. Double-click any shape to edit its text and label it with the process name, cycle time, or any notes your team uses. If you need free-floating annotations, double-click on a blank area to add a text box, or select the text tool and click where you want to type. As you place shapes, keep similar items aligned and spaced evenly for readability. Zoom in to fine-tune labels, and zoom out to check the overall flow. Don't worry about getting it perfect on the first try. The snap and connector behavior makes iteration fast. That's it. You created a new page, enabled the value stream mapping library, and assembled a complete value stream map with connected shapes and clear labels. Thanks for watching and happy mapping.